This is the living room area. There's a big fish tank and there's some furniture, a sharp TV, entertainment stand, a heater or fireplace. There's a good look. Here's some little chairs that match the sofa that's right here. See it? There's a nice coffee table with a large, thick glass top on it. It's hard to see. Some military books. There's cards. Collector's cards. A nice record player, RCA Victor brand, and some records to go with it. And a shelf and some miscellaneous. There's a cabinet with all kinds of picture frames and miscellaneous stuff. Right. And all these tables right here. There's a table in the back, a glass, old mid-century modern table. Another fireplace that needs to be cleaned up. And some pictures on the wall of dogs and cats. This is the kitchen area. There's a stove. Here's inside the cupboard. This is the kitchen. There's a refrigerator. Kitchen table here. No chairs. I'm gonna go this into there's a closet here with some miscellaneous stuff in there, some jackets. A big teddy bear on the bottom. Bathroom. Another fireplace that needs to be cleaned up. This is the plane room. All kinds of planes hanging from the ceiling, all over the walls. Let me shut the door. We brought the boxes in. All the boxes for the planes are in here. There's boxes of boxes. There's all the boats on the ground. Some miscellaneous stuff in the closet here. VHS tapes. There's suitcases. There's wine boxes on the top corner here. There's military books in here, World War II. There's some camera stuff on the bottom there, lights. We're out of this room. This is the shelves. And this is the master bedroom. There's some jackets. Some old suitcases, laundry basket, mirror, the dresser that goes with the mirror, end table, the bed, the dog ramp, TV and end table, and then some planes are in here as well. They're hanging and sitting on shelves. And there's another end table over here. There's a closet and there's lots of airplane magazines in here and miscellaneous clothes. And then there's the dresser on this side with some more planes. Then we're gonna go out to the garage. Here's the washer and dryer. There's a fish tank here and lamps. Lots of photographs in these bins here. There's fish tank stuff and miscellaneous stuff on the shelf here. All kinds of plugs, a refrigerator and freezer. This old antique vanity. The mystery, they're locked. This one open, these two open, but this one doesn't open, it's locked. We can't get in there. Here's another desk right here. needs repair. The leg is under there. And there's all kind of old toys, vintage toys right here. Superman. There's a remote control boat. Mystery box is up there. Some tools on the ground here. Gas tanks. More mystery boxes up there. There's another fish tank in the garage. Some ladders. There's some mid-century modern tables back here. Let me go back over here real quick. They're over here. They may need some repair to them. I'm not sure. Good little lot.